Hello students, let's talk about the probable error related with the Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Well, the probable error of correlation coefficient helps in determining the accuracy and reliability of the value of R. The coefficient of correlation is computed from random samples which are always subject to error of sampling. The probable error of coefficient of correlation is the value which if added or subtracted from the value of coefficient of correlation R gives the upper and lower limits within which the coefficient of correlation can be expected to lie. The probable error of coefficient of correlation can be obtained by using the following formula. Let's talk about the formula. This is probable error equals to 0.6745 1 minus r the square oblique and the under root. So this is a formula of probable error which can be obtained very easily. This is P equals to 0.6745 1 minus r the square oblique and the under root. And secondly, there is a standard error which is also written as firstly let's talk about the definition of standard error. The standard error of coefficient of correlation is used for ascertaining the probable error of coefficient of correlation and is denoted by standard error. It can be obtained by standard error equals to 1 minus r the square oblique and the under root, where n is the number of pairs of observations. I'm outlining this. Let's explain this with an example. For example, I'm taking one question, that is when r equals to 0.8 and number of items are 64. Then we can find the probable error and standard error by the formula. Let's talk about probable error first. For example, the probable error is, I'm putting one formula in this, 0.6745 1 minus r the square oblique and under root equals to 0.6745 1 minus what we had got as coefficient of correlation, that was 0.8 and its whole square oblique 64 and its under root. Let's solve this. Equals to 0.6745 1 minus, let's do it with a calculator, 0.8 multiplied by 0.8 equals to 0.64 oblique as under root, that is 64's under root. 64's under root is 8. Afterwards equals to 0.6745 1 minus 0.64 equals to 0.36 oblique 8 equals to 0.6745 0.36 divided by 8 is multiplied by 0.045 equals to 0.6745 multiplied by 0.045 and we get the value 0.0303. So this is probable error which we obtained. Simultaneously we can get the standard error as well. So what was the formula of standard error? It was 1 minus r square oblique n whole under root. As we had already solved it, it was 1 minus 0.8 whole square oblique 64's whole under root equals to 1 minus 0.8 is 0.36 oblique 8 equals to 0.64. Oh, sorry, 0. It was 0.64 and we got the value 0.36. Sorry, it's a mesh. 0.36 oblique 8 equals to 0.36 divided by 8 equals to 0.045. And this is standard error. So we got the standard error and probable error as well. Let's sum up. Probable error equals to 0.0303 and standard error equals to 0.045. Thank you.